Welcome back, freelancers. Do these things to keep your heart healthy. Let's talk about it. I've got 7 tips to help you protect your heart, a crucial organ, and helping you lead a healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams, getting the results in your business, weight loss goals, anything you do, you're going to need your heart to be able to pull it off. So let's get into it. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance, where I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. The full plate sessions help you confidently navigate healthy eating without all or nothing crash diets. That's linked below. So let's just jump into these 7 tips that I've got. One, balance your calories with physical activity. This is a big one. You don't want to have that out of order where you're eating way more calories than you're using. Now, it's not just about the calories you take in relative to the exercise calories you burn. You use a lot of calories for maintenance, survival, cell repair, metabolism, fundamental things. You also use calories to digest your food. Also, non exercise activities count. So don't just rely on your exercise calories in your calorie balance equation. However, you also don't want to eat way too many calories for all the things that you're doing with your body. Click like if that makes sense to you. Okay, and I'll put a link to the video that I did on calorie balance so you can get more details on that. Next tip, eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. You got lots of micronutrients in there, plus fiber in those fruits and veggies. So you want to make sure you're getting a balanced profile. They say, like, eat the rainbow, get a bunch of different colors of fruits and vegetables that have a variety of nutrients to support your health and have it has like those antioxidants that can support your cardiovascular lining and your heart and protect your heart health to reduce your risk of heart attack, stroke, that kind of stuff that's going to really affect your quality of life and your work. So balance, get those fruits and veggies. Next tip I have is eat whole grains. Switch out some of those um, refined grains for whole grains when you can. So if you like the taste of brown rice, then try more of that instead of just white rice or whole grain pasta. Those little things can add up, getting you more fiber and help protect your heart. Okay. Next tip I have, get protein with each meal. That helps keep you satisfied throughout the day. And it also can keep you from indulging in some of the other foods that are less healthy for you, the high sugar foods, high fat foods. So make sure you're getting protein with each meal. The next tip I have for heart health, use unsaturated oils like olive oil or avocado oil. So these are two really good ones that you might want to choose over butter or coconut oil or saturated fats. Saturated fats are linked to high cholesterol, which can be further linked to heart disease, which is the number one cause of death in the United States. So we don't want to have those things add up. Using unsaturated oils, higher in omega 3s, better for you. So the unsaturated oils, unsaturated fats, these are going to be liquid at room temperature. That's a big hallmark of them. And it's a complex chemistry thing. Basically, unsaturated fats are going to be healthier for you in most cases. So that's that tip. Next one I have, limit your added sugars. So basically, don't drink soda is probably the biggest part of this. When it comes to other added sugars, your candies, cookies, anything where food has sugar added into it, high fructose corn syrup, right? Try to limit your intake of these foods in order to feel more satisfied. That way, you don't overeat them, you don't get too many calories, you don't shift that calorie balance in the high intake direction, and you don't gain weight and have problems with your heart, right? Because your heart health is essential. Next tip I have for you, watch your salt intake. Now, Americans are eating on average 3,400 milligrams of sodium per day. And that is quite a lot, especially because the dietary guidelines for American recommends adults limit their sodium intake to less than 2,300 milligrams per day. So a lot of people are over by quite a lot, right? It's just about 1 teaspoon of sodium. Sodium is going to be a big component in salt and frozen foods, breads. Also, going out to eat, you're probably getting a lot of sodium because that helps make the food taste good. You want to be careful when you're doing that to try to find lower salt alternatives, more fresh foods that will be lower in sodium. Just be mindful of it. Try not to eat like all meat pizza too often, right? That's a good way to reduce your salt intake. Deli meats, notorious source. I can go on and on about this, but the thing is, just be mindful of your salt intake and the sodium in your foods if you want to protect your heart health. So those are the quick 7 tips. I'll scroll through them real quick here. Balance your calories, eat fruits and veggies, eat whole grains, get protein, unsaturated fats, limit your added sugars, and watch your salt intake. If you want to learn more about healthy eating, I've got the full play sessions linked below. That'll make it easy. It's the whole nutrition education course. So, not just how to protect your heart, but how to protect like your whole body, all its organ systems, and live longer, better quality of life. And then you can do more effective work and enjoying the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams, which is like insane. So, like, do that, take care of your health so you can take confident ownership of your path to freedom and fitness. All right, so click like if this helps you with some tips on how to protect your heart. Next, you can watch why heart health matters so much. I was feeling playful when I made this video, and I hope you like it. I'll put that right here. As always, keep practicing. Peace.